Why, God? Why me? Okay. See me glory.
Keep my past straight, never lack faith. God been working, they gon' have to hold me back, man. And tell them, you can pick a.
What's good, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Algene, and I'm back with another video. So today I'm bringing you guys a brow tutorial. Let's get into the video. The items that you're gonna need for the brows are, I have this Revlon brow pencil, and it has a brow brush on this side, and on this side it has the pencil part. Then I have my elf angled brush to use for concealer to like line the brow. Then I have two concealers. I have the LA Girl Pro concealer, and this one is the HD concealer. This is closer to my skin color than this one. This one's a little lighter, but I'm used to using this one, so I think I'm gonna use this one again. And then I have this no name brush. It's like that, and this is what I'm gonna use to blend it out. So to start, I'm gonna use the brow pencil with the brush on this side. I'm gonna brush it out. So now I'm gonna start brushing my brows. And right after, I'm just gonna line my brows. I'm gonna follow the shape of my natural brows. So after lining the bottom part and the top of my brow, now I'm gonna start filling it in. Then I'm gonna do the other side. Damn, I'm looking crazy, but we move. So now it's time to conceal, and I said I was going to be using the HD concealer. So I'm going to put like a little bit on my hand. Okay. So we're going to start with this one, and you're just going to follow under the brows. Just follow the shape of the brow that you just created. And I know that like a lot of people use a lot of concealer to like clean their brows. I don't do that. Just like so. And then so for the top part, you want to make sure you're taking little, you don't want too much concealer on the top because it's going to be hard to blend out. So I'm just gonna like brush it off, and then we're gonna start blending up the top part of the brow. And then this side, it's like so hard for me to do my left brow. Oh my god, I messed up. We move. Yes. Why, God? Why me? Okay, I'm gonna stop talking. That brow, man. Unacceptable. So when you mess up like that, take your brow pencil and redo it. And there we go. Okay, now going back with that brow, angled brow, the little one. Just want to make sure that we're brushing up the concealer. Now we're gonna use this brow that has no name on it. Start blending out the brows. So make sure we're not looking crazy. So it's basically brushing off the excess concealer. So this is alright, you know, if you're trying to beat up your face, but I'm not doing that today. So I just want my brows to be done, so you have to clean it out more. So I'm gonna go back with the angled brush. Make sure to brush off the excess concealer that was on there. And going back with this. Blending is important. You need to make sure you blend out everything, or else you're gonna be out here in the streets looking crazy when you're not crazy. Okay, so right now, like this front side, I don't like how it's looking. So I'm gonna take some of the concealer that's still on my hands with the angled brush, and I'm gonna like go over the front of my brows with it. It's kind of dark right now, so I'm just gonna go over with the concealer to make it light. Y'all see the difference? You're welcome.
You're welcome.
So there we are. And then of course, if I'm only doing my brows and I'm not like beating my face up like today, just take my makeup brush that has like a little bit of powder, and you just like, you know, blend it out to make sure everything is set. Alright, thank you guys for watching. That is it for this video, for this brow tutorial. I hope that you guys liked it. Go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Looking cute, we're looking neat, we're looking snatched.